So as homesteaders, we sometimes have to do stuff on our own. So this is not one about farming or um, gardening or vegetables or chickens or geese or something, and that's maintenance of vehicles. So I'm servicing this truck of ours and just changing spark plugs and oil. And now I'm at a difficult situation to remove the oil filter. As you can see, there's the oil filter and it is an extremely difficult position. So let me go in closer. I can't get my hand in there to twist it with my hand. So what I've did is I've put in 2 screws into the filter. So now I want to do, let me just grab it. Apologies for the bad cameramanship. Is to add just a nail wire in here, and now I've got only one hand, but now I can twist it. Now I've got some leverage to twist it. Let's see quickly. I'm going to pause the video now and see what happens when I twist it. Okay, so now I just released it, and even as you can see, I'm using my left hand. As you can see now, it's twisting. The technician or guy who serviced this truck before, his name was Lucky, and I added all kinds of adjectives to Lucky for tightening it so strongly. But anyways, so this is how I removed a difficult oil filter here on my truck. As you can see, I had a major operation, so I had to remove the wheel completely to get into that one. So yeah, hope this one will help you. See you in the next video, and happy farming. God bless you.